हाँ हो गया है, मेरा तो ऑन हो गया है, इट्स वर्किंग। वेट, मेरा तो ऑन है। जस्ट वेट, मेरा तो डन होगा। ठीक है, मेरे में तो ठीक चल रहा है। ओके, ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू, बाय। I need to wait for certain time, please. Today we had faced certain technical issues because this is just a online meeting. We are doing it. So these types of technical issues can come during the online meetings, you know. No, don't worry. We are not extending the time. We are not extending today's time. It will be going up to like whatever normal time class timings are going on. The same timing will be going on today also. Don't worry. But today, actually, we are facing certain technical issues because it is just an online meeting. So during the online meeting, one can face the technical issues. Means because it is just an online, it happens. It could be happening to the software. There could be a software problems also. Just you need to wait 2-3 minutes more. Let some students join because number of students are away. Just wait. Else I'm starting. Okay, just wait. Yeah, I'm getting your join now. Number of people has joined now. I'm just starting within 1 minute. Or don't worry. Thank you, Sumit. Thank you. Wait. First of all, today class, like it's now already 20-25 minutes above now from local time. I'm not going to extend your class today. I'm going to do the class as the same normal timings, whichever is running, because number of students have to go and join their offices tomorrow at the early morning also. So that's why the classes will be up to like, if I talk about my timing, so that is 9:30 to 11:30. So the same timing I'm going to take it, though it is 20-25 minutes now high time. Don't worry, I'll cover everything on the time. Okay, shall I start now? Are you ready now? Shall I start? You can just raise hand, that's all. Okay. So I'm starting now. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. So as we are proceeding with the data structure, So I had told you that there are basically 4 data structures. Data structures are the collection of items. They are collection of the objects. They are collection of the items. So I had told you like list, tuples, dictionary, and sets are there. Okay. So I had told you about the list. Lists are basically ordered. They are indexed. They allow duplicates. And the major property is lists are mutable. Okay. Now I'll be showing you that what is the concept of mutability. Because yesterday we had covered everything into the list, ordered, indexing, duplicates also. So now let's talk about the mutability. Now there's a tuple also. Tuples are also data structures. They are ordered collection of data. They are indexed and they are immutable. We'll be learning about the immutability also. Okay, we are going to learn about the immutability also. So now I'm proceeding further with the mutability in list. It means we'll be understanding that what is a mutability in list. Okay, that I'm going to do now. Fine. So here I'm taking a list again. Don't think that I'm going to cover the entire process which I did it. But yeah, we did it. So now what I do, here I'm going to write. Let me create one list here. So here I'm making create a list one. Here I'm just putting some data. 56, 78, 90, 23, 12, 44. Any other data here I'm just putting. Click on run. You can see here list one. This is the data. So these are the indexing. Already you are aware with the indexing, default indexing. Now let's see the concept of mutability. Mutability means the list internal values can be changed even after the creation. Suppose student here, let me check it out. What is the data inside the list at the 2th position? At the 2th position, at the 2th index, the data is 90. Okay. I'm thinking that I should change this 90 to 500. I want to change 90 to 500. So can I change it? Let me try. List 1 and the index value 2. I want to change it to 500. Let me think it. Oh, it is working. So the data which is coming at the 2th position, that one is 90. Here it is 90. I changed it to 500 and now the data is displaying at 500 at the 2th position. This is a property of mutability. I will say, because the data has been changed, so I will say lists are mutable. Mutable means list can be changed even after creation. List can be changed even after creations. Okay. So mutable means lists are mutable. They can be changed even after the creations. Like the way I did it here, I did it with the integer values. I can take it any other data also, such as list 2. I can take here any data. Here I can take, okay, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn. So certain planet names I'm taking. Pluto. Nowadays, Plutos are out from the list of planets. Suppose any data, okay, randomly I'm making any list here. List 2, it is there. So indexes are there, no? Default indexes are there. So 0, 1, 2, 3. If I say Jupiter is there, I want to change this Jupiter by Mars. Let's go with Mars. So what I'll do, list 2, what is the data at the first location? It is Jupiter. I want to change this Jupiter with Mars. Let's land on Mars. Okay, so Mars is there. So here I can say list 2. It is Mars. So now Jupiter is there. On to the first location. Now we had landed to Mars on the first location. So this is the property of mutability. Remember, student, this is a very important property. Mutable means lists are mutable. Remember this point. Lists are mutable. It means we can change the internal value of the list even after the creation. Okay? Up to here clear? Huh? My screen is not hacked. No. Just wait. What? Yes? Okay, it's clear. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Yeah, you can rename the list name. Suppose list 2 is there. I want to make it a planet list. So what I can get? I'm just assigning list 2 into the planet list. So now that list can be renamed. List can be renamed. Means earlier list 2 is there. I'm giving a new name to the list 2. So planet list. So it is there. Okay. Fine. So it means mutability. Remember this point that these are very important. Lists are mutable. Remember this point. Lists are mutable means one can change the list internal data after the creation. Don't forget this point. So this is about the list. So now my lists are over. I had told you the properties of the list. Lists are like I had told you. Remember these points. Lists are ordered collection of data. Lists are indexed. They allow duplicate values also. And lists are mutable. These are very important properties of a list. Okay, these are very important. And whenever we create a list now, we do create the list by these square brackets and comma separations. These are the details about the list. Done. Yes, we can create the list, we can modify the list even after the creation, right? We can add, update, delete elements. Yeah, we can all do all these things. Okay, so this one is the list. Now let's come about the tuples. So basically, when we work about the tuples, you can call it a tuples also. Anything you can call that is your choice. Tuples are ordered collection of data. They are also indexed. But the major properties of the tuples is they are immutable. I focus on this property. Immutable. So let's learn. And whenever we are making a tuples now, I'm going to use this round brackets and comma separations. So let me make the tuples. Tuples. You can make it mark down yourself, student, that you know, na? Comment you can make, mark down you can make, that is your choice. T1 is a tuple I am making, and here round brackets I am making. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any data you can put it, that is your choice. This is T1. It is tuples. T2, the similar way you can make it. Any data you can put it here. Now, let me show you the indexing. T1, or let me take a T2. T2, what is the data at the 0th element? It is 55. T2, what is the data at the first element? It is 78. T2, what is the data at the 2th location? It is 34. Okay, fine. In the similar way, you can take it because tuples are also indexed. They are default indexed. Ordered collection of data, they are indexed, and that's why it is showing it. Now you think it, suppose T21, it is just showing you 78. If I think it, let me change the 78 to 48 or 44. Any other data I want to change it. Suppose I want to do this one. So let me try it. Okay, I'll show you. So here now I'm writing is equal to 44, means I'm changing this T21 to 44. Let me try. Oh, here it is showing some error it is showing. What is that error? So here it is just showing I'm trying to change it, but here it is saying type error. It is saying tuples object does not support item assignment. What does it mean? It means that tuples will not allow to change any internal data. Means this data I want to change it with 44, but not. So here it is just showing you that this 44 cannot be assigned to 1, T21. So basically, it means tuples are immutable. Immutable means you cannot change values after creation. Got it? Yes. So they are immutable. They are immutable. You cannot change after the creation here. Okay. Okay. So take care for tuples are immutable. You cannot change it, but list can be changed. This is the major difference here. Okay. The major difference between the tuples and the list is, see, the major difference is lists are mutable, tuples are immutable. This is the major difference. The rest are same. Like list and tuples are ordered collection, they are indexed. Even if I write here, tuples also allow duplicates. Two values, same value, I'm putting it here. So they also allow the duplicate values. The same into the list. If I'm making a list here, and here if I'm writing 12 number, again I'm writing 12 here and 12 here. Two times I'm writing a 12. 12 here and 12 here I'm writing. In case of list, so here it is just showing 12 and 12 two times. So it means list allows duplicates. Okay, list allows duplicates. So basically list allows duplicate also. Okay, So basically there are data structures, list, tuples. Okay. Now, yes. No, I'll tell you that just by writing T1, it is not identifying as the tuples. Tuples are identified with this bracket. As soon as I will write it here, this one, even I will write here a D. So it will recognize. It is not going to recognize with a T just by identifying this bracket. Let me show you. Wait. Student, just wait. See. If I'm taking any other variable, let me take a variable, P variable. P is equal to, I'm making this list. This one. This is P. Now, I'm asking what is the type of P? So here it is saying list. Because it has identified with the square brackets. Lists are identified with the square brackets. Square brackets. And type it is showing list. Now let me take any other variable for tuple. Suppose here I'm writing my P. My P is a variable. Here I'm making round brackets and here I'm writing 6, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6. So duplicates also I can put it here. My P, it is showing you now. And here I'm asking type of P. No, type of my P. It is tuple. Type of my P is tuple. So basically how it is recognized? It is recognized by this round brackets. Lists are recognized with square brackets. Tuples are recognized by round brackets here. One can take any variable for list or tuples. Yes, yes. You can take any variable, that is your choice. Okay. So in this way, major difference between the tuples and the list is that tuples are immutable. You cannot change it. But list can be changed, like I had changed here, I had changed here. The internal data of the list, I change it here. So take care for this one, that how the differences are coming. Now see, there is a certain functions are also associated with the tuples, but not much functionality, just like list. Basically, I had told like a data structure, when we talk about the Python data structures, there are 4 data structure I'm telling you, like list, tuples, but tuples we are not going to use heavily into the data science, because in data science, like we generally use heavily list. So that's why I've key focused onto the list. I've shown you various functionalities of the list. Tuple is one of the concepts in data structures, and we should know that how the tuples and the list are different. So lists are mutable, tuples are immutable. Now there is not much use of tuples into the data science, so that's why I'm not focusing much onto the tuples. I'm not going to go into the very much details of the tuples for any other functionality, because it even does not hold much functionality. It's just like the list. Okay. Now I'm coming to the next one here. That one is a dictionary. So let me create a dictionary here. When we talk about the dictionary, dictionaries are created with the help of key value pair. Key value pair. So I need to take care here. Key value pair. Key value pair means here key value pair means here I need to write here keys and values. So how to write it? First of all, dictionary is going to create in this way, this bracket. Now here I need to write here key 1, value 1, key 2, value 2, key 3, value 3. And here, D1 when I'm making with actual values, how I write key 1. So I'm making a structure of it first of all. So let me build up a structure. You think it, suppose I'm having the structure in this way. So here, ID, name, age. ID, name, age. So ID is, so this one is key 1, key 2, key 3. And here I'm going to put values. So like ID is 101. Any name is there. Suppose Andrew is there is the name. And age is 12. So here I will be saying that ID, name, age are keys and these are values. Now here now I am just writing key 1. 101 is the key 1. Value 1. So key 1, wait. Just wait. Wait, student. Key 1, I'm taking the key 1. So key 1 is this one. And this one is a value. So same structure, I'm going to take ID and 101. So key 1 is ID and value is 101. Done. The key 2, I need to take key 2 and then value 2. So here I'm going to do key 2. Key 2 is name. So name is key 2 and value is Andrew. Then key 3. Key 3 is age and the value is 12. So in this way, I need to create key value structure. So here I'm just creating a very simplest one in front of you. Wait, let me build up here. So this I'm going to put it here. That I'll call it as the dictionary. Okay, here I'm going to give it as the dictionary here. Dictionaries are the key value pair. Dictionaries are key value pair. So I'm making a structure. Okay, let me prepare a structure first. So I'm going to follow a very simple structure here. What is the structure? I'm going to take it. So I'm going to write here ID, name, age. These are what? These are keys. And values are (101). ABC name. Student, it could be any name you can take. And 12 is the age. So key value here I'm making. Okay, the structure I'm following, right? So I'm giving you a general structure here, general structure for the remembrance. D, dictionary name, D name, dictionary name is equal to curly braces. And inside the curly braces, I have to write key 1, colon, value 1, key 2, colon, value 2, key 3, colon, value 3. This is the structure I'm going to generate. This is a syntax. These are not value, these are the syntax. So this structure I'm going to follow. Here I'm making it a markdown. Now I'm going to make actual key value pair. D1 is the dictionary 1 is equal to curly braces and is equal to curly braces. I'm going to use it. Inside the curly braces, I'm going to use key 1. So key 1 is ID and 101 is the value. So key 1 is ID and 101 is the value. So here I'm going to write it. ID is key 1 and value is 101. Then comma. I'm going to take key 2. So key 2 is name and the value is ABC. So I can write any name. So here name is the key 2 and value is, I can take Andrew as a name and any name that is your choice. Now let's go with the key 3. Key 3 is age and the choice is 12. Click on run. My D1 is created. The same structure I created it here. So D1, let me show you here. This one is a D1. It is D1. So I created a dictionary now. Okay. Now, so it means in my dictionary, ID, ID, name, and age. These are keys. 101, Andrew, and 12. These are values. Okay. Now see, there are certain internal functions inside the dictionary. Okay. So here now, D1 dot keys. I'm asking, what are the keys? Show me what are the keys. Give me the keys name. Here it is saying ID, name, age are the keys. If I say D1 dot values, what are the values? Here it is saying 101 is the value of ID, Andrew is the value of name, 12 is the age. Now, I want to see collection together. So here I will write in, these are the internal methods. Then what are the items? So what will happen? See carefully. In items, it will be giving key value, and key value. But when I'm writing in D1 dot keys, so it is going to give only keys. In values, it is going to give only values. Okay. So basically, now remember this point that keys, value, and items. So keys, values, and items, these are the internal function where I can see that what are the keys, ID, name, age are the keys. What are the values? Values are 101, Andrew, and 12. They are the values. And these are the items. In items, it will be giving the key value, and the key value. Done. In this way, we can see it. Now, I can see individually also. Suppose here I want to see individually. Suppose here ID is the key. So I can say it separately also D1 and inside it I can put the ID. I want to see, okay, show me the separate value. Here it is saying that inside ID 101 is there. D1 dot name. What is the name here? Here it is saying Andrew. Inside D1, what is the age? Here it is saying 12. Okay, fine. Now, right now, I'm having the age here. Age I'm having Huh? So I can see I can change the age also if I want to age change, because right now 12 is giving now. Suppose I say age is 17, I want to change it. So what I can do, I can just read here D1 age. Right now 12 is there, no? I'm writing it 17. Let me try. It is there 17 I had added. So 17 is updated in age. And let me check it out again, D1. So it is 17 now. So in this way, I can change the age also. So age is 17 now. So it means dictionaries are also mutable. They can be changed. Right now, I'm having 3 keys only. How many keys? 3 keys. ID, name, age. 3 keys. If I want to add another key, so what I can do? So here there is an update method, D1 dot update method I'm going to use, where I'm going to give another key value pair. Another key value pair means I want to give fees. So what I'll do, I'm giving here a dictionary key. I'm going to give here dictionary key value pair. So here I'm going to write the key and here I'm going to give the value. So what I'll do here I'm going to give name, age. So here I'm going to give fees as the key and the value. Here I'm going to give you value. So any value here I can give for the fees. Suppose here I'm writing 6,000. So this is the fees and 6,000 has been added as a key value pair inside the table. Click on run. So if I'm checking it out again, D1, so you can see fees is added now. Fees is added inside the structure. So the point is here, okay, I'm going to do all these steps one by one, Sandra. Just wait. Yeah, adding multiple values, just I'll do it, but wait, please. I'm going to do everything with step by step only. Okay, just you need to wait, please. I'm going to do everything step by step. Just wait. Okay, wait. So here I had added one more key value pair. So it means, see, earlier, what is the structure I'm getting here? Okay. Right now, na, we are having this structure, na, ID, name, and a structure I'm having. Na. So now I need this data. So that's why now I added this one, fees 6,000. So the point is that I had added this update. Okay. So I had added this fees and 6,000. So in this way, you can use update method. Now, if I want to check it out, that D1 dot keys, you have to give a function. It is a function. So here it is saying ID, name, age, and fees is there. D1 dot values. In this way. So now items is, this is also added. Additional one is also added. Okay, so in this way, like general one, we can just create the dictionaries, right? There is actually item function is going to show you the entire key value pair. Like here, when we are looking only keys, if I want to see only keys, so inside the keys here, it is going to show only keys. In values function, it is going to show you only values function. In item function, it is going to show you entire key value pair, key value pair, key value pair. Means entire key value pair, we can see it in case of item functions. Okay. Fine. So in this way, this was the basic structure I had drawn for the dictionary here. Up to here, and how to update the value, I've shown that how to update the value. Even suppose here, right now, I had updated the fees with 6,000. Right now, fees is 6,000, it is showing. Just wait here. D1, if I want to see separate fees, so the same spelling I need to carry, remember one point, okay? So same spelling, it is just showing 6,000. Let me do one thing, that if I want to update this fees with a new value, suppose I'm reducing the fees to 3,000. Let's take an example. So here now it is just showing 3,000. So in this way we can update. So from 6,000 now it is updated to 3,000. In this way we can update the values. Okay. Okay. Help, see here, we are looking here with the help of function. D1 will also give the same, but here, this one we are capturing with the help of items. We can see the entire values of key value pairs basically. Means just like we are having basically three functions, keys, values, and the items inside the dictionary. In the keys, we can see entire keys. In the values, we can see entire values. And into the items, we can see the entire details of the items also. Okay, so these basic three functions are given inside the dictionary to see the entire details also. You can see it with the D1 also. Yeah. But this we are just checking out the functions here. Okay. So here we are updating the values also. Even whenever I want to update any of the values, so simply I can use the update function and then I can add the value just like I had added here. Means here, if you want to take one more key value pair added, so simply you can use dictionary name dot update key and the value. So you will be getting an updated new key value pair here. Okay. There is no indexing concept here. No. There are keys only. Okay. See, we are just learning the basic structures. We are learning here the basic structures of Python. We are learning the basics of the Pythons basically here. These are the building blocks of data science and machine learning. Okay, these are being used in data science and machine learning basically. So basic structure of the Python is required to be understood. That how the things are working. Okay. Now, just wait now. No. Yeah, here it is asking for the keys. So here I can just take keys. There's a pop function. Here it is going to remove the particular key. If I want to remove any particular key, so that I can use it. So if I'm looking here D1 again, so you can see this fees fees key value pair has been dropped. That has been popped out. So pop is just to pop out, to cut that particular key value pair. So it has been cut it out. Okay. So now there is no fees, right? Next. So whatever item I want to pop, so you can give it, just like suppose I want to drop the name. So the same I have to give it. Same I have to give it. Same. There should be no spelling mistake in any case. Okay, so I want to drop name. So name will be dropped. If I'm looking here, D1 again. So you can see here, there is no name is there. So name and fees has been dropped. So you can see name has also been cut. This has been cut. And here, D1 dot clear, if I want to do that. So I'd clear it. I'd clear this ID and age also, just like we did it into the list also here. So there is blank. There's blank here. So still, if I want to add something, so D1 dot update method, I can use it to add certain more key value. And if I want to use this delete D1, so entirely D1 will be deleted from the memory. And if I want to search this, whether the D1 is there, it will throw the error D1 is not defined. It means your data are not present. Your data are not present here, right? D1 is not defined. So this is not an error. This one is, it is showing that D1 is not present because you had deleted it. That one is not present into the memory. So we are unable to show. So that's why this error is coming. Okay, so in this way, we can just work with it here. No, here remove is not applicable. Pop function is working. Yeah, with the pop function, we can remove only one key. Okay, that we can do that here. Yes, I can add the multiple records. Now I'm doing that. Yes, Andrea, exactly. I got it. I got it. Just wait here. No, to ID to just wait here. Okay. So here now let me show you. Suppose. So this is one way I told you. Now suppose here I want to add the multiple data. Okay. Multiple data. So how can I add that? So for that, suppose here I'm making a D2. D2 is a dictionary. I'm making it here with multiple records. So what I'll do here, first of all, let me create a structure here. ID, name, age. These are the keys. And now here I'm preparing a values. The values could be n values. So here I can just write ID 1, 2, 3. Any names here I can give A, B, C, D, E, F, any name. And here 10, 11, 12. These are the ages. So this type of structure, if I want to build up, so it means these are the keys, ID, name, and the age are the keys. These I need to build up with multiple values here. So let me take out this structure now. Here, curly braces. Now I have to give key value. Okay. Remember, when I'm giving the key, so here I'm giving the key ID. Now I have to give ID as a 1, 2, 3 or as many. So because these are 1, 2, 3, so continuous values I'm taking it here. So I will be putting them into this list. So here. Done. Key value done. Now I'm taking a name key value. So here I'm just putting name. And here I'm just giving into this square bracket here. Any name here. And this way. So these multiple names I have to put inside the list structure. then comma, I have to take age. So just I'm rubbing the structure now. Age, I'm putting it here. So here I'm going to write it here. Age. It is 10. Done. Done. So in this way. Now suppose here I want to see D2 ID. Okay, only ID values I want to see it here. Okay, before it, now let me show you that what are the keys. So here it is going to show you the keys function. I'm going to use it. So ID name age dot D2 dot values. I want to see it here. So here it is going to show you the values of ID name and the age, and D2 dot items. It means show me entire details. So key value, where it is going to show me into the list format. Okay, so here in this way we can build up the structure. Now, if I want to see them individually, so how can I see them? D2. Here I can see the ID. So 1, 2, 3 are the details of the ID. D2 name. So here John, Jack, and Andrew are the name. Okay, these are the values inside the name. D2 and age. What are the ages? These are the ages. Okay, so in this way we can do that. So in this way I can make multiple values. In this way. Now suppose, see, because see, right now, you are getting everything here. These are the list now. So you are getting one more thing inside the list. List are indexed also. So 0, 1, 2 will be indexing into the list. So how can I change them, see them individually? Let me show you. Suppose D2 ID is there. I can assure its index also. So let me show you how. D2 ID. What is the data at the 0th location? It is 1. D2 in ID. What is the data at the first position? It is 2. D2 ID. What is the data at the this position, 2th position? It is 3. Okay, fine. The similar way, if I want to trace out the data with these names, how can I check? So name is the key, and then with the help of indexing, I can just trace them. Okay, one by one. So if I'm writing it here normally, D2 name, it is this one. So now I will be tracing them one by one with 0, 1, 2. It is John. It is Andrew. In this way, I can see it. Suppose right now it is just showing you Jack, that at the first location, Jack is there. So if I want to change it, right now it is this. So same, I want to take it. Here I'm going to take it. And I want to change it with Smith. So I'm changing Jack with Smith. I'm changing Jack with Smith. Here let me check it out. It is Smith now. So Jack has been changed with Smith. So it means I can access the index value and I can change the internal value. So it means dictionaries are mutable. Dictionaries are mutable. Okay, so in this way I can access them. Brackets I had told you for the, wait. Brackets I had told you in the way, see, this point I have to give into the brackets now. Reason is there. Why we are giving it here into the brackets? Because zero, 1 and 2. So here I need to give it in brackets. Okay. So this I have shown you. Okay. Now there's one more I'm just going to build up. V3 is equal to brackets, and here, suppose I want to give a numeric key. So how can I give a numeric key? One numeric key, and here I want to give any data such as A, B, C, D. To here. E, any data you can give. Instead of E, F, G, H, you can give any fruit names, toy names, planet names, mobile names, you can give it. I'm just showing you the structure. Actually, this rest you can put any data. So in this way, I can make a numeric list, numeric keys also, and D3 and this one. These are the numeric keys. You can see what is the data at the first location. It is ABC. In D3, what is the data at the 2th keys here? It is going to show you. So in this way, we can identify with the numeric keys also. Okay. This one is overall for the I can say dictionary. Just you can read it. I'm scrolling the page. Okay, good question. Basically, dictionaries are used for the key value pair. Lists are not used as a key value pair. Lists are a collection of data. Means here, you can see when I had created the list, there is a quite differences between the two. It means when I had created a list here, when I had created a list now, so there I had created a list in this format. And when I created a dictionary, I had used a key value. The structural difference is there. Key value, I'm going to use it in. Okay. So this one is there. Okay. So dictionaries are used for a different purpose. Lists are used for the different purpose. If I told you like a dictionary can be used for this purpose whenever I'm having table-like structure data. If I'm having table-like structure data, so there I can use a if I'm having a table-like structure data, in that case, I can use dictionary. Okay, so that one is a difference here. Just wait, please. Dictionaries come into the form of table where ID name, where I'm giving keys now. Keys, you can just consider it as the table header, and the values are as the list of values you can consider. Okay. Okay. But these are the structure you should know, like here, that how to create a list structure, how to create a dictionary structure here. List structures are used whenever we want to give, suppose here I say, suppose I'm making a grocery list. So there I can just use list structure, where I can just put my data. Grocery list, whenever we create it, that one is just a comma separation, we are giving it here. So there we are just creating a list of data. Okay, dictionaries are being used whenever we are giving the key value structure, just like the table-like structure, but we cannot give much more data here. Inside the values, we cannot give much more data here. And tuples are similar, just like similar like a list, but the major difference is tuples values cannot be changed. Okay, these are all basic building blocks we are learning for the data structures. To understand the data science and machine learning, first of all, we need to understand the basics of Python. So that's why we are covering the entire basics of the Python. So data structure is one of the aspects inside the Python, and we should know how the various things are working inside the Python data structures. Okay. Now let's go ahead with another one, the left out one. Like I had told you, when we talk about the data structure, Wait, student, wait. Let me refresh my pen. Wait. Student, give me one time. Give me some time. Wait here. Just wait, student. Let me refresh my pen here. My screen will be black out for a 1 minute or few seconds because I'm refreshing my pen. You need to wait with me here. Stay on the screen. Do not move anywhere else. Stay here only. I'm just refreshing it. Just wait. Just wait here only. Okay. Fine. So let's move with the next. That one is like when we talk about the data structures inside the Python. So like I told about the list, tuples, dictionary, and the last one is the sets. There's a sets now. So let's go ahead with the sets. The basic structure of the sets are unordered collection of data. They are unordered collection of data. They are not indexed. They do not allow duplicates. And they are immutable. Okay, so they are completely unordered because they do not have any index. They do not allow any duplicates, and they are immutable also. They are immutable also. So let's see how to make a set. Fine. Okay. So when we create a sets now, we'll be creating, suppose I'm saying my set. Here I'm going to use this structure. I can use that, but there's no key value. There's a difference. Suppose I'm using 12, 13, 14, 90, 44, 88, any data I can use that. And these are not indexed. In this way, if I'm thinking, so no, that is not there. So sets are not indexed as well. So when we talk about the sets, here sets are basically, okay, let me make a set. Suppose here I'm writing my set. My set, I'm writing it here. So here I'm making the set with curly braces, but there's no key value. There's nothing like a key value. So here I'm writing any data here. Here I can write it 12, 54, 78. It is 34, 90, 11. Any data here I'm writing. This one is a set, my set. Okay, so in this way I can create a set. Let me see one thing. My set, if I want to take a zeroth data, let me think it. Oh, it is saying set object does not support indexing. So it means the set does not allow indexing. Okay, there's no indexing to the set, nothing, no. Even if I write here, my set, what is the data at the third position? Again, the same error I will be getting. That set does not support item indexing because there is no indexing. But here, we cannot access a particular element. The same, if I want to do one more thing, my set, suppose fourth location, let me take. Whatever data is inside the fourth location, I want to change the data with 800. Means here, I want to change the fourth location with 800. Here it is saying set object does not support item assignment. It means you cannot change the internal value. So in this case, I can say that it does not support item assignment. It means sets are immutable. Sets are immutable. Okay, so sets are immutable. You cannot change it. Sets does not support item assignment. And sets do not have index also. No indexing. That's why it is saying it does not support indexing. Okay. Yes. When we gave here sets, we can give here sets in the flower braces. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, so set does not support item indexing. Sets are immutable. You cannot change the value. Let me show you one thing. Suppose here I'm writing J set. This is a variable I'm just creating. Here I'm writing 55, 89, 45, 23, 45, 90, 90, 33. J set. So can you see one thing? Have you noticed one point? I had given 92 times. And it is given 90 only one time. So 1, 2, here it is given one time. What does that mean? Sets does not allow duplicates. Even set does not allow duplicates. No duplicates. Exactly, Sandra. Right, right. Exactly. Suppose here I'm writing. They said, here I'm writing some values. Let me take a random values, please, here. Okay. Fine. Okay, there is nothing such like any data if I want to see it here. There's no indexing. Okay. What I'm trying to do here, I want to give add method. There is an add method. If I want to add Saturday, Saturday. So though there are 4 things, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I want to add Saturday. Oh, where is Saturday added? It is not in the end, means if I feel the Saturday should be added here, no. It is adding somewhere else. So randomly it is adding. Randomly it is adding. It is not taking it anywhere else. Randomly it is adding. Got the point? So add is adding anywhere because there is no proper indexing. That's why it is happening. Add, suppose that I'm writing Sunday. It is Sunday. So you can see here Sunday is there. Anywhere it can be added. Okay. Got the point? Right. Basically, what happens now? When we work with the sets now, what sets will do, just like there are other properties like it is immutable, it is not allowing any duplicates as well. What sets generally do, it arrange the data in ascending order also. So here now, you can see here, if I'm randomly putting any data, it is arranging the data in ascending order also. So default, it makes the data ascending. The same, it is happening here also. If I talk about here, suppose I'm putting some data. So it is taking the alphabetic values here. And when I'm looking this data, automatically it makes the data arranged in ascending order automatically. So just like M, T, T, W, it came here in this way. And again, when I'm giving here, adding a Saturday, so here it is adding a Saturday here as per the ascending order. So alphabetic values it is arranging. So basically, the sets gives the data in ascending order in numeric and in alphabetic also. It does not identify the position. It adds the data, but it will not identify. We cannot use update here. No, no, no. That we cannot do it here. And here now, suppose, wait. They said dot remove. If I'm giving a remove now, so I can take any data. Suppose that I'm saying Thursday. So I want to remove it. Let me try. It has removed it. Saturday is not. Thursday. Thursday is not there. It has been removed. In pop, it is removing the last. Yeah. It has removed the last. Oh. Pop takes no argument. So here it is taking, you cannot give it this indexing because there is no indexing. So how you can give indexing if there is no indexing? So Monday is deleting. Anywhere it is deleting. Pop here it is deleting Wednesday, the last one. Here it is deleting the Monday in this way. Anywhere it can be deleted. It is clearing everything. Again, if I want to check it, it is saying that it is not defined. It means from the main memory, it has been deleted. Yes, you can use the heterogeneous also. Heterogeneous also you can use it. Means here. And this way it is going to be. Heterogeneous also work, but there's again, if in heterogeneous also, if you are giving there like there is no indexing, still the properties remain same. The sets are immutable, they do not allow any duplicates, even they will not allow any indexings as well. You cannot do that. Okay. No, there is identification between dictionary and sets. That is not just we are using this curly braces. In dictionaries, we allow to give key value in case of dictionary. But when we are using a set, so here we are using it, but here we are not giving a key value. Here I'm directly giving a numbers with comma separations. So it identified that this one is a set, this one is a dictionary. Pop in set will delete a random values of set. Yeah, any random values it will delete it. Because there is no indexing, nothing like that. Just wait here. In the meantime, read it, please. Sets. A Python set is a collection of unordered items. Each element in the sets must be unique, immutable, and the sets remove the duplicate elements. Sets are immutable, which means we cannot modify even after the creations. We can read the statements first. Carry on your reading now. So one more thing, like sets can be created in this way with the flower brackets, this way, curly braces also we can use it. And sets can be created in this way also. You can see one more structure. Any set here, I can create it with just by writing set, round bracket, and this one. Both are applicable. Okay, so in this way you can do it here. I am mom. I'm not speaking right now. You need to study. You need to read it. That's all. So these are the sets here. Okay, got it. So we had learned about the data structures, where you had basically learned about the list, tuples, dictionary, and the sets. These are the basic data structures in Python. Now let's come for the practice. If you want to practice certain more, you can just see this video. And if you want to do certain more practicing, so what you can do, so in that case now, inside LMS, there is a learn section. Inside learn section, there is a practice assignment repository. Practice assignment repository. You can see that and you can practice yourself on your own with the commands which I had written there as an additional practices that you can do yourself. This practice assignment need not submit, nothing I needed. That is just for the practice only. You can see the commands, you can write the commands. You can see the commands, you can write the commands on your own. There's nothing for these practice assignment repository, which is inside the LMS learn section. No need to submit me. No, only that is your self practice. And there's an additional resource is there. Notes and resources repository. Notes and resources repository. That is for additional study. These are the study material. And here practice assignment repository is provided for the practicing code there. No, practice assignment repository is just for you. There is no need to submit this particular, whatever work I had provided inside the practice assignment repository, that is for your. There is no evaluation for this practice assignment repository. There is nothing, you are not going to submit anything. Whatever you are practicing from this particular practice assignment repository, that is for your self-practice only. Done. Notes and resources repository, you can study on your own. That one inside the learn section of LMS. Everything is provided inside the notes and resources repository. You can read it. So inside LMS learn section, you can go with the notes and resources repository. You can read it yourself. Okay. You have to open your LMS on your own. Your LMS is not with me. You can open your LMS, go to learn section, and you can find it out, practice assignment repository and notes. In the learn section, you can check it out. Okay. Okay, wait. Even if you suppose you're not getting it now, okay, so what I'll do, I'll be talk to my team. It's not there. Okay, does not matter. Fine, got it. So now I'll just ask my team to give it to you. Okay, it will give it to your batch. No, nothing can be downloaded. Only you can see, you can practice yourself. Yeah, got it. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just asking my team to deliver it to you inside the learn section, practice assignment repository and notes and resources repository. Both are available. Okay. Let me check it with my team. If it is not there, they will be assigning to you. And if it is there, you have to refresh it. But you have to log out and you have to log in again into LMS learn. You can just take it out. Both are there. You have to log into your LMS, go to the learn section and select PG program in data science and then select notes and resources repository. In the similar way, you can just find it out, practice assignment repositories as well. Yeah, and practice assignment repository is also there. Okay. Both are available, no? Thank you. So thank you. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Okay, you can practice all this thing. Thank you. Thank you.